Welcome to Mariposa Woolen Mill needle felting kit instruction. Felting is causing the fibers to intermingle and mat together, and there's a couple ways that you can do that. Wet felting is one way, which is hot water, a bit of soap, and a lot of friction. And the other way is needle felting, which I'm going to demonstrate to you shortly. The needles that you use for felting have ridges that encourage the fibers to grab onto the other fibers, and the more that you poke it, the more that it felts. It's always best to use a surface like a foam or a rice pad to protect the needle because it's fragile and it's also very sharp. Everything you need is included in the kit, so let's get started. Our chicken and chicks begin like this. Starting with the white, we're just going to create the body of the hen. Just going to roll it. Going to be creating this bottom part. So we're just going to roll it. We can make the cone and the other elements by just overlapping the roving, either rolling it, folding it. Just want to get a little bit of thickness, and then you'll create that shape of the cone here. I believe that's what it's called. It looks like it's just a series of balls, and that's okay. We can do it that way. I think that'd probably be easier than what I was just starting. And we'll add it directly to the head. So we want one, so this is the front. 1, 2, 3. And try and keep them all the same size. Just start small, roll it in a little ball. Trying to keep one side with some extra kind of loose fibers so that we can have a good place for it to adhere. Okay, so we'll just slowly do it like that, and then we will firm them. Once we've established their placement, then we will make them firmer. So let's just find a placement, put them on, attach them, and then we'll firm them up. Okay, so one more. So to firm these up, we're just going to, as we're poking them, we're just going to poke into the red, just repeatedly. Until they're nice and firm. So let's just continue with the different elements. The eyes, using the black, the beak yellow, and I believe I've been saying it wrong. This is the crest and this is the cone. And we'll just go with that. So let's add the eyes. And I'm going to speed up this part because it's basically just adding it in the same way that we added these red balls. We're going to create a shape, sculpt it, and we're going to do it right on the bird. So I'm going to speed it up now. So this is our completed project. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video was helpful. So to replenish your felting supplies, just visit us at the farm market or on our website.